park. Says valid at all snow park. But I don't know other snow parks. Kayaks 2 mile. Oh my god.
Honest, the workplace actually, the outside looks actually, it actually looks like an abandoned house. Look, seriously, look at the abandoned house. And this is my whatever store. No, I'll check it out. I think it might be the department store. Yes, it
와,
might be
진짜 날씨 보였어. 하이 때리려. Oh, come on. All snow parks full. They're gonna give us a refund?
Let's give it to the next day to find better person. Here, hold this one. Let's keep my shoes. We could take it off.
Before.
Why not? Why didn't you just wear these? Because I'm gonna want to wear
Exit 54. Turn south at off ramp to the intersection, then turn left. So exit 54. Okay, and then turn left.
I think this is my gate.
Hayek's pointing that way.
This is my gate.
Hayek, let's point to Torero. Let's see, I-90 exit 54. Turn south at off ramp to the intersection.
Turn left.
Turn left. Bây giờ mà bây giờ nó thôi show hết I don't
Turn
understand.
left again.
Turn left, go 1/8 miles, then turn right. Snow Park on first right.
That's it.
This thing?
Yeah.
This thing is Gold Creek. This is not Hayek. Hayek is on over there.
Yeah, you're right in the wrong place.
No, I mean we could go here too, but I'm
This
saying
is a
that
skiing area.
I'm saying that Hayek is over there.
I'm going to go to Hayak.
Oh, it's closed until further notice.
What's close?
The snow.
Oh, we're not doing any snowmobile.
We're sliding.
Chế chừng mình đã lo hết.
Like go vacations.
Oh my god.
That's the craziest one. That's like how scared you.
You could turn on your
To be
snow
honest, I think it's
thing.
more scary going snowboarding up a hill.
Pretty often.
Literally, that's what we did.
We
I
snowmobile.
swear, look at there's snow.
And then go like slide. We're
Hayak.
doing
No,
the,
no,
we had
no,
like
no.
No, I know,
So we're,
that's
like,
what it said,
sliding
but
down.
then when you sign thaw, then you're
like
shut all
sliding down
over.
the freaking like top. We're like
Okay.
sliding from the top.
Exit 2.
Well, I don't know. Turn left, go 1/8 south, 1/8, turn right, Snow Park on first right. But it's not right. The direction, it should be that way.
So we get to right here, then turn left.
Then it should be กูบอกเขา sign 到了 point 到นอกแล้วนะ
That's 906.
Iron Horse State Park, Hayek Lodge.
Where does it point to?
Into that.
Oh, must be this left they're talking about. Is it? But it says maintenance division.
Hayak Lodge is that
Ugh. This is so confusing.
We got time.
Okay, here's a map.
We're actually here earlier than we thought.
Hiya.
By 3 minutes.
Gold Creek, hiya. Not see, look, we went to Gold Creek, right? So hiya, nhớ đâu bên đây rồi nè.
I mean, Hayek Lodge is this way. People shouldn't be on the middle of the road.
No, they just parked over here only. Yeah, we might have to turn over there and go. That is not a very good instruction.
I think we're in the wrong place.
We know, we know. Thì nó đã một tỏ ra đâu chỉ à. Oh, Hayek Snow Park Sledding Hill to the right.
Oh.
Oh, cars are leaving. That's a good sign. Are they close? What was with all the cones?
To separate it.
We got a permit.
Close is at 4:30 p.m.
Bit icy.
Right.
Okay, put that on the dash. The park closes at 4:30.
Okay. Where's the park? Right there?
Just loop around a little bit more and there'll be more parking behind me.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you.
Có một trò có một button. Snow button.
Yeah.
You got a 2-wheel drive, dude.
I feel like there's actual tubes that are meant for sliding, not wanted to.
Đà, hồi đá một tàu. Oh, here's fine too. Wow, it's beautiful. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Is it exciting?
Show kids how to be pros, even though we haven't gone so long.
All right.
Okay, let me.
And I was just.
I don't know if we need a sunglass.
Why do we need sunglasses?
I'm just gonna put it in my backpack.
Well, just in case. Because the light reflects off the snow and it makes it really freaking bright.
Yeah. True.
I'm not gonna bring it because I don't want to get snow on it.
Yeah, no. It's pretty much everything you can.
Oh wow. That's how people.
Oh my god, it's snow! Oh wait, does that actually like go on this?
Yeah.
It's
Get your.
Oh, I need to put.
All right. It's exciting.
I got a rope right here if you need to pull.
Wait, I gotta put this on YouTube.
Maybe.
That smirk!
Look what's all. Look at your back.
This one too. You guys want that one too?
So my gloves. Get your gloves.
I had to check and type it up.
I'm most likely just gonna watch you guys. I might go down 1 or 2.
Oops, I forgot to put on my hood.
Get your hat on if you have one.
Oh, wait.
If I need extra layer of clothes.
It's time to go vacation style.
Except we're not gonna go snow tubing down the thing.
Dang, should I put on my other shoes? This the wrong shoes? Wearing my wedge. Huh?
You got snowshoe?
No, I don't have snowshoes. When did I ever went and bought snowshoes? Huh? Well, this one has a... I had, you want to put it in my bag? You have to unzip.
Remember, we're going at 4:30 because it closed out.
Yes, yes. Anybody got a watch?
No.
There's plenty of people who's gonna.
Yeah, people is going to start to leave, then you'll know. It's snowing.
I don't have snow boots, so I'm using this one.
Your jacket, Tim?
Wow, the only one I have is that one. That one's so
Yeah.
small.
Too small?
Yeah.
Well, put it on anyways. We'll have to buy you a new one. Or you can leave your sweater on and then zip your sweater up and then put your jacket over it.
I think it's freaking tight.
Yeah, well, since you're not zipping your sweater, your jacket, you're gonna need to zip your sweater up.
Oh, glasses.
Your glasses?
Just your monkey dog go which though.
Yeah, you need to lock the car. I need to.
Give me the test of
I probably need another layer of sweaters or something. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need another layer.
I don't need one more layer, but I just like pretty poofy, so I'm good.
I'd rather be poofy and warm than
This is it.
I think that's pretty poofy, so I'm pretty warm. I just think like this, I'm good. My other gloves, like over the one.
Pretty small.
Like,
Tight.
what's small?
this jacket's actually really good. You just need
Gloves
different
I
bits.
see.
Yeah, see, there you go. You can zip it up.
I hit myself. I hit myself with this part.
I got this.
Hey, you guys want a rope or no?
It's not even the
Can I hit myself?
No rope?
time to get ready. Obviously, people do this for a living. They just come here for one day.
I wanted to take pictures with my phone, but my phone's in my bag.
Then go get it.
On the page that's like, come on, like, the phone's in it.
Okay, you're like blocking the camera. The camera is on.
I'm looking for it. Okay, that's it. That's my phone.
Double.
Yeah, you
It's on.
Take my whip, man. Take this whip.
I want to close it so I can put this in the bag.
You have to return to all those people. It's gonna be right.
Okay, lock it, put it in, zip it up so everything stays dry.
Edward. You know, see how I pronounce his name? Edward. Where are we going?
Where's the snow part? The sledding. Here.
This snow is so pure. Pure.
Or to this level.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, that's some black stuff.
I didn't mean to.
No, this be careful.
I guess that explains all the kids. Yeah,
I thought this was icy, but it's okay.
If I remember what we did with the sand when we went to that one beach. And I bet we did a lot.
I think the access is over here. Oh, okay, never mind.